Coming up, we're at Valleyfair, and honestly, we love this park and ended up staying longer than anticipated. This is an extended edit of day 16 of this past summer's 20 theme park road trip, so I hope you enjoy some of the extra footage. No hate, but already this place looks a whole lot more put together than Great America. This place is light years above a lot of other parks as far as like getting it upkept. It looks so good. Guys, the workers already know how to like do things. Like we just asked some of the workers some questions and they were so kind already. Like dang man, this is a good park. I mean, even look at it. Even their booths are like really clean. John, this is
really good. This just feels like Michigan's Adventure dialed up.
Yeah.
Or just like one of the really nicely themed Cedar Fair ones shrunk down.
Yeah.
This isn't regular small park affairs.
Yeah, it's like they just took money and like, look, we're not big, but we make sure things look nice.
The one thing Michigan's Adventure has is our coasters drive-in looks better than this one. Everything else is worse. Dude, this is gorgeous. I had no idea this would be this good.
The whole beginning of this video is gonna be us gawking. First impression of the park, this park is well kept, clean. It's well laid out. Everything is just spot on, especially for a small park. So.
I hear people like put Valleyfair and complain about it just as much as they do like Michigan's Adventure for not being a nice park and for being too small. You guys don't get to talk.
Like, this is so good.
I would just hang out here.
Yeah, yes. This is afternoon. Hey, you want to go to Valleyfair? Yeah, sure, why not? All right, no shade on this one. I'm glad we're getting this one done. I mean, the trains look well kept together. All right, Wild Thing was really smooth. It felt like I was on like my car just going up and down hills. Like definitely fun. A little bit more tame, but again, tame is kind of good for me right now. So it was so good. All right, High Roller's our next one. Oh yeah, this is definitely an older roller coaster. Please remain seated in upright. High Roller's cute, small, and good for my back. I was a little scared, you know? You never know on some of these older ones, but it was made in the 1970s, so which is pretty chill. But again, the best part of this park is how well maintained it is. Should we eat there, the barbecue Renegade Smokehouse?
On the way back, we'll give it a try.
Like later on? Oh, jeez.
I'm sure they'll open it because it was testing. Oh, wow.
Oh,
your head on this one.
Look at this, entrance riding.
Because normal mine trains are super meandery, but this is like Gemini where it's almost between a mine train and a hyper with like, it actually has hills. I'm nervous for this one. We'll see. I think John likes. That thing is awesome. I love Arrow. It's so short, but it has like probably the most positive G's on an Arrow I've been on. And there's just one random hill that has so much airtime. For Excalibur, I had to brace myself tremendously, but I was able to make it through the laterals or just like you going like this. That's the dangerous part for my back, but it was pretty good. All right, Renegade. Renegade is the best in the park for me. I loved it because it's a wooden coaster that I can ride. Like it's not smooth by any means, but it's way better than Shivery Timbers. Look at this food plaza. It is just structured so clean. Ooh. Hello. All right, not in the meal plan. It is that fancy, apparently. Walking tacos. Oh, that's hot. Okay, I said never again at Michigan's Adventure. Let's see if this one might be a little bit better. You'll like this better. It is trimming hard. Oh, trimming? Let's go. Said no coaster enthusiast ever. But just, this one was the one that was like, ew. All right, another type of mouse coaster retired for me. Man, it's like, it just has these whipping moments, like, or airtime moments that just snap my back. It feels terrible.
Still Venom.
Still Venom was amazing. The launch was incredible. Like there's a part where it holds you and I was just like, wait, what's going on? And then it drops you again. Like so good. So stinking good.
That's so sketchy. Nope, 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 nope. All right, this is a really cool ride. I have a lot of good memories on this. I believe this was at Busch Gardens at one point. Okay, corkscrew it is.
Don't mind squeezing up against the fence for us? That'd be fantastic. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, corkscrew was really awesome. It was amazing. Best part would probably be the helix over the water, honestly. It was so smooth and it was really great. Loved every bit of it.
This is a cool little kiddie area. Dude, it barely makes it across that.
You guys, Valleyfair is a gym among all the different parks. It's really clean, well kept. The staff are knowledgeable. The rides are a lot of fun. And there's definitely a family presence of it. Like I am floored. I've enjoyed being here. The difference between yesterday's park to today is tremendous. Like we're gonna stay here even longer today because it just feels so good. Like we're about to get back in a few. I'm gonna edit this for you guys and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thanks for watching all the way through. And here are some other videos that you can check out while you're here. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.